Your own people are making this shouting here. Nobody can take the house for granted.
Yeah.
Tell me the.
Now they are disturbing.
Sir, this side is in order, sir.
Okay, you tell me the rule, or you want to speak on this?
Meriba Paneer Soda. I trust Meriba.
Sri Trichy Siva.
Point of. I have a point of.
No, there is so much of disturbance. What point of order can be taken? No point of order can be taken. No, you have to read. Otherwise, I am going to give the chance to the other member.
What is it?
No. Your own people are making this shouting here, and you are on the point of order.
Give the point of order.
You tell me very clearly. You want to speak on the subject or not?
I want to speak, but before that, I need an explanation.
No. How I can allow a point of order when everybody is shouting? There is no point of order. There is no order. Then what is the use of point of order? Let everybody go to their seat.
We have come
Sit
to
there.
speak only.
Then we,
They are going. They are going, sir.
yeah.
They are going to their seat.
Honorable member, I will tell you one thing.
Come
Nobody can take the house for granted.
Yeah, of course.
Everybody should go by the norms of the
By
house.
the rules. Everybody has to go by the rules.
Yes, then you are occupying the well and what rules it is.
They have
there?
gone back. All of them have gone back.
Let them go to their seat and sit. Otherwise, you have to read in the.
I'll tell.
Now house is in order, bro. Tell him. बैठ जाइए. बैठ जाओ.
Allow point of order.
Mr. Chairman, all are in their respective.
No.
Sir, point of order.
Hello.
Point of order. Point of order, sir.
Mr. Tiwari. First of all, I let me come.
बैठ जाइए.
Yes. I will give a chance to everyone, provided if you are in order.
Now they are in order.
Yeah.
You start.
Sir, we have come here to speak only, sir.
Sir, now they are disturbing.
Tell me the.
Now they are disturbing.
Sir, this side is in order, sir.
Okay, you tell me the rule, or you want to speak on this?
Tell me the rule. He's saying tell me the rule.
Mr. Chairman, this side is in order.
So
Let me.
Yes, as I am coming to you later, please. You tell the point of order.
Rule 239, sir. When for the purposes of explanation, during discussion or for any other sufficient reason, any member has occasion to ask a question for under the consideration of the council, he shall ask the question through the chairman. Sir, my simple question is, sir, we all gave 267 notice, sir. You dispensed off with it. You didn't even tell what are the reasons why you dispensed off, in what reason the notice.
The reason has been read out by
No,
me
sir.
in my answer
sir.
itself, and
No.
I am rejecting
Allow-
it.
at least
I
allow-
have told you.
at least allow the
what are the
LOP.
reasons.
Sir,
There is no point of order.
Allow the LOP.
There is no point
Allow
of
the
order.
LOP to
चोरी
speak.
पे चर्चा से क्यों भाग रहे हैं लोग?
Allow the LOP to speak.
सर वोट चोर सरकार चर्चा से क्यों भाग रही है?